Welcome, everyone. Today we're going to explore the fascinating life of Volodymyr Zelensky. From his early days as a comedian and TV star to his unexpected journey into politics as the President of Ukraine, his story is full of surprises and lessons in courage and determination. In this session, we'll learn about his childhood, his career in entertainment, and how he became a symbol of hope and strength for his country. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the inspiring biography of Volodymyr Zelensky. 1. Early life and childhood. Volodymyr Zelensky was born on January 25, 1978, in Kryvyi Rih, a city in central Ukraine. At that time, Ukraine was part of the Soviet Union. He grew up in a Jewish family, but his family was not very religious. His father, Alexander Zelensky, was a professor and worked in the field of computer science. His mother, Rima Zelenska, was an engineer. They were both well-educated and wanted their son to study hard and have a good career. As a child, Zelensky was very active and intelligent. He loved reading books, learning new things, and performing on stage. He was also very good at languages and learned to speak Ukrainian, Russian, and English fluently. During his early school years, he showed great talent in public speaking and acting. He participated in school plays and performances, making people laugh with his humor and energy. From a young age, he loved to entertain people and make them happy. 2. Education and first steps in entertainment. After finishing school, Zelensky went to Kyiv National Economic University, where he studied law. However, even though he completed his degree, he never worked as a lawyer. While studying law, he discovered his real passion, acting and comedy. He joined a theater group and started performing in comedy competitions. One of the most famous comedy competitions in Ukraine was called KVN, a popular TV comedy contest in the former Soviet Union. Zelensky and his friends formed a comedy team and participated in the competition. They were very successful and won many prizes. Because of their success, Zelensky and his team got the opportunity to perform in different countries, including Russia, Belarus, and Kazakhstan. This helped him become a well-known comedian in the region. 3. The rise of Kvartal 95. After gaining popularity, Zelensky and his friends decided to create their own comedy group. They named it Kvartal 95, after the neighborhood where he grew up. Kvartal 95 became one of the most famous comedy groups in Ukraine. They started performing on national television and created their own TV comedy shows. Their comedy was based on real-life issues like politics, corruption, and social problems. Zelensky became famous for his quick wit, funny jokes, and great acting skills. People loved his performances because they were relatable and entertaining. Kvartal 95 did not just focus on comedy. They also produced movies, TV series, and entertainment shows. They became a powerful entertainment company in Ukraine, producing high-quality content. 4th, Servant of the People, the TV show that changed his life. In 2015, Kvartal 95 produced a TV series called Servant of the People. This show became one of the most important moments in Zelensky's career. In this show, he played the role of a school teacher named Vasyl Holoborodko, who accidentally becomes the president of Ukraine after a viral video of him criticizing corruption spreads on the internet. The TV show was a massive success. It connected with the people of Ukraine because they were tired of corrupt politicians. The character of Vasyl was an honest, kind, and simple man who wanted to change the country for the better. People loved the show because they wished for a real president like Vasyl Holoborodko. Little did they know that Zelensky himself would become the president in real life. Entering politics, from TV star to presidential candidate. By 2018, Ukraine was facing many problems. There was a lot of corruption, economic struggles, and a conflict with Russia in the eastern part of the country. The people of Ukraine were losing trust in politicians. They wanted someone new and honest to lead them. Seeing the situation, Zelensky decided to run for president in 2019. His political party was named Servant of the People, just like his TV show. Unlike traditional politicians, Zelensky used social media to connect with people. He did not make long political speeches, but spoke directly to the citizens in a simple and honest way. Many people supported him because they saw him as a fresh and honest leader. He promised to fight against corruption, improve Ukraine's economy, strengthen Ukraine's relationship with Europe, end the conflict with Russia. 6. Winning the 2019 presidential election. The presidential election took place in April 2019. Zelensky won with a historic 73% of the votes, defeating the old president, Petro Poroshenko. His victory was one of the biggest landslides in Ukrainian history. On May 20, 2019, Volodymyr Zelensky officially became the 6th president of Ukraine. Many people were surprised because he had no previous political experience. However, others believed he was the right person to bring change. 7th challenges as president. As soon as he became president, Zelensky faced many challenges. The Ukrainian economy was weak. There was political corruption everywhere. Russia was supporting rebels in eastern Ukraine. Many people doubted his leadership skills. However, Zelensky worked hard to make positive changes. He focused on rebuilding trust in the government, improving Ukraine's international relations, and strengthening the military. He wanted Ukraine to become closer to Europe and the West, instead of being influenced by Russia. 8. Russia-Ukraine War. The biggest challenge. In February 2022, everything changed. Russia, led by Vladimir Putin, launched a full-scale invasion of Ukraine. At the beginning of the war, many people thought Zelensky would run away, but he stayed in Kyiv, the capital city, and refused to leave. He made a powerful statement: "I need weapons, not a ride." This showed his bravery and leadership. He became a symbol of resistance, inspiring millions of Ukrainians to fight for their country. 9. Leading Ukraine. During the war. Zelensky became one of the most respected leaders in the world. He spoke to world leaders every day, asking for help, used social media to share updates with people, encouraged Ukrainians to stay strong and united. Countries like the USA, the UK, and the European Union supported Ukraine. They sent weapons, money, and aid to help Ukraine fight against Russia. Despite the destruction, Zelensky never gave up. He showed great courage and determination in the face of danger. 10. Legacy and future. Zelensky is now one of the most famous leaders in modern history. His story is one of bravery, leadership, and resilience. His future is still uncertain because the war is not over. However, he has already made history as a leader who stood by his people in their most difficult time. Volodymyr Zelensky's journey from comedian to wartime president is truly inspirational. He is a symbol of hope, strength, and leadership for the people of Ukraine and the world.